All right, hi everyone. So for our March Take and Make craft, we have two of them. We have a Pokemon Stadium and a fairy garden. This video is going to show you how we make our fairy garden. In the kit this month, you will find some blue felt, a Altoid tin, some glue in a small container, some moss, a little fairy house, some little mushrooms, and some sort of animal figurine. You will need to provide a pen or a pencil of some sort, a paintbrush, or a Q-tip or your fingertip to spread the glue around, and a pair of scissors. So to get started, we're going to take our Altoid tin and place it on our felt. You're going to take your pen or pencil and trace around the tin. This way we can get a piece of felt the exact same size as the tin. Cut that out. This will provide a nice blue sky backdrop for our fairy garden. If for some reason you would prefer it to be a fairy garden at night, you could always use some dark purple and dot some white paint on it like stars. Now we're going to take our glue, and this is where we use our paintbrush to spread it out. We're in the lid of the Altoid tin here. You can use your finger, you can use a Q-tip, you can even use a little wad of paper towel, anything to help spread out the glue, and try and get it in the corners so that it sticks really well. We're gonna stick our blue felt in there. And now we have our sky backdrop. Now, here comes the messy part. We need a lot of glue in the bottom here. So we're gonna go a little bit crazy. Put all that glue in there, spread it around. Right, then we're gonna take our moss that you got and break it up, and we're gonna poke it down in there. We want to make sure it touches the glue so that it'll stick down. This is a little messy, so it's time to decorate it. So here we have our little fairy house. I'm going to put glue on the bottom of the house, and I'm going to put my house over here in the corner. I'm going to push the moss out of the way a little bit and really stick it down. And then I think my bunny is going to go in this corner and look at the house. And I have these cute little mushrooms. I love these things so much. And we're gonna just, wherever you like. You can put less moss in, like I think this is a little too much moss right there, so I'm gonna take that out. Put more moss in, but there you go. So you have a kit to start a fairy house.